Alright, so after 3 million years na paghihintay ng Simula at Wakas EP, today ay nilabas na ng SB19 at ng Cebu Pacific. Gusto ko talaga nag-i-intro ako, lumalabas yung Cebu Pacific. Salamat. Well, let's go. Ang title nito ay Time at may music video na siya and we are lucky. So tara na, wala nang madami. Ang dami kong sinasabi, pre. Ha? Okay, umpisa na natin. Time yung title nito, no? English yung title. So bakit kaya? Ano meron? Bakit English, no? Okay. Is this gonna be an emotional...
Rotting in bed, numbing upset, the hands on a clock.
Okay, I need some lyrics for this. Paano natin yung CC? Okay. Okay, we have some emotional stuff right here and I don't like it, but I don't like emotional stuff, bruh. Ayoko ng mga ganitong mga nakakaiyak. Tingnan natin.
Rotting in bed, numbing upset, the hands on a clock. I'm moving along and feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead. Please make it stop. I'm always wrong and stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard 'cause I know what it costs. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time, memories will leave them be.
Wait lang. Oh my gosh, man. Muntik na ako maiyak doon sa, lalo sa second part, sa part ni Ken. Tapos bigla ako magugulat sa chorus. legit, medyo nagulat ako. Wow. Oh my gosh, man. The lyricism, the feelings is upgraded. At yung music video, napaka-sad nung feels. At napakaganda nung mensahe na para ka ng brain dead. Parang same usual activity everyday. Nakahiga ka na lang sa kama, magigising ka. Parang wala kang gana. Okay, man, let's go. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mensahe ng kanta na to. But so far, I'm liking it. At nararamdaman na siya ng puso ko. Okay.
Rotting in bed, numbing upset, the hands on a clock. I'm moving along and feels like I'm dead, but I'm here instead. Please make it stop. I'm always wrong and stuck inside my never-ending thoughts. I'm trying hard 'cause I know.
Wait lang, ba't naglalag? Mahina ba yung ano? Naglalag, wait lang.
It cost. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time, memories will leave them be.
Never ko in-expect na magugulat ako one time, tapos nagulat pa ako ulit. Akala ko sira yung earphone ko kasi parang nag-stop na naman ulit, but that was intentional and that was nice. That was new. Okay, tingnan natin.
'Cause one day we'll run out of time, memories will leave them be. Hide many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. One day we'll run out of. All of these are natural. No one's really in control, but we live a little 'cause we know when we vanish we don't really go. So I try to run an extra mile.
Oh my gosh, man. I'm about to know the main theme of this song and I don't like it. Kasi nakikita ko parang merong ina na nais makapiling ng anak niya sa kaarawan niya, but siya lang mag-isa doon, ready niya na lahat, uminom na siya ng maintenance niya, may sakit siyang ganon. Tapos yung daughter niya walang choice kasi may trabaho din, but she wants to. But even if she wants to, may trabaho siya. Oh man, this is hurtful. This is definitely hurtful. What the F, bro? Okay, ano nangyari sa video natin? Na-compromise? Nag-stop yung recording. Gagi, ba't nag-off? Okay, bahala na sa edit. Mahirap nun.
For a sign, if there isn't one, then I'm leaving mine. Never those behind, seeking you will find. There's no reason not to try. Watching everything from the backseat is beautiful, but at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do when we got nothing to lose. What we're not changing with trust, fighting for what.
Man, even me is guilty for this line na sinabi ni Josh na what we are not changing, we choose, man. Nung dati ko pa sinasabi, magda-diet ako, magja-jogging ako. Pero wala lumalamon, Brad. So what we are not changing, we are choosing it, man. I need to go back on track, man. And alam natin, marami tayong guilty sa ganyan. At kung anong hindi natin binabago, pinipili natin yun. Grabe, no? Oh my gosh, man. And this is what I say about the lyricism of SB19, man. Isang linya lang yun. That was just one line. But it's crazy. What the F, man. SB19 is the best.
Try watching everything from the backseat is beautiful, but at times it gets really ugly. You already know what to do when we got nothing to lose. But we're not changing with trust, fighting for whatever cause. If the light's dying, don't you ever cease to refuse. Stuck inside my never-ending thoughts.
Ano yun, papa niya?
I'm trying hard cause I know what it costs. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind.
What the F? Am I getting this right? Separated yung mother niya and her father, but she lives with her father at may sakit yung tatay niya. At siya nag-aalaga. Is that correct? Or patient na ba yun? Ano ba? Parang papa niya kasi they have a relationship. Papa niya ba yun? Kasi yung mama niya walang kasamang tatay. So baka separated sila. Man. This is hard. This is hard and this is true. Very real. Man, what the F? Ba't na off? Pangatlong off na. Mahirapan ako mag-edit nito mamaya. Gagi. Okay, tuloy. Gagi, ano ba yan? I got to change the
it won't hurt to try. Cause one day we'll run out of time and time again. You raise things I don't understand. I'm drenched all over, still lying. They're all I can. And I'm well aware there's no reason in this world, so I'll never ever walk away with stones left unturned. Cause if I'm living anyway, I'm spending every day scattering stars in the night sky, hoping it'll lead away for better days. Savor every moment with me.
Don't tell me. Don't you dare. Huh? What happened? She left a note and food? Ano ba yun? Bumisita lang siya sa mama niya?
Time, memories memories will leave them behind.
What is happening?
We can control. And I hope you know it's better to try. One day we'll run under. Time memories will leave them behind. Many things we can control. I hope you know it's better to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of time. Memories will leave them behind. Darling, when push comes to shove, your best is enough. It won't hurt to try. 'Cause one day we'll run out of.
Namatay ba siya doon? Ano ba? Oh, she was thankful.
What is?
Ano nangyari doon? Wait lang, hindi pa ako full disclose. You can't do this to me, SB19 ah. Wait, I have to see. Ano ba nangyari doon? Hindi ko na-gets. She did that. Ano ba, may kapansanan ba siya? May sakit ba siya? Tapos sinabi niya lang napahinga niya yung mama niya.
So I'll never ever walk away with stones left unturned. 'Cause if I'm living anyway, I'm spending every day gathering.
Nag-loading pa nga oh. Ano pang signal to? Ipot ng baka. Man.
Stars in the night sky, hoping it'll lead away for better days. Savor every moment with me. Want me here 'cause I don't want them.
Ah, okay. Oh, so she wasn't dead. May sakit siya. Ay, hindi. Kasi may
Your best is enough. It won't hurt to try.
Bale kanina, naghihintay siya sa mama niya kasi sabi niya nga, yung mama niya yung pahinga niya. So, she was waiting with the surprise, yung party, but late yung mama niya dumating. Kaya oh, late. Salamat ma, ikaw ang aking naging pahinga. Masyadong na-overwhelm ako sa ano ngayon. Hindi ko maintindihan kung she died kasi it was not disclosed, or she just said that sa mama niya kasi pagod na pagod siya, and mama niya yung pahinga niya at na-touch yung mama niya doon. Nagkakasakit na siya dahil dun sa trabaho na walang ano, and I love SB19 for that. Balik na naman tayo dun sa pagmamahal sa SB19 kasi oh man, these boys never cease to amaze me. Wow. Para siyang yung Rewind na movie, yung parang yun yung sinasabi na man, we ain't got plenty of time, kaya spend it, and huwag kang mag-focus ng sobra sa pagpatay sa sarili mo or mag-focus dun sa mga bagay na alam mo yun, draining, gaya ng trabaho. Sabi nga ni Dr. Kinimaro yung sa TikTok na doktor na sabi niya, huwag mong abusuin yung katawan mo kasi sisingilin ka niya. Pag may day off ka, i-day off mo. So yun sinasabi dito. Tas yung babae dito, pahinga niya yung mama niya. And I think what we can take from this is that the genius of SB19 no, sinasabi sa atin na i-cherish niyo yung moments kasi hindi habang buhay andyan yan. Hindi habang buhay okay ka at okay yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Medyo ayoko na maganito kasi na ano yung ano ko, yung state of mind ko sa mga ganitong bagay. Ayokong manood niya. Nagugulo yung isip ko ngayon. So, that was an amazing song. An even better music video. That was a win. Tsaka na tayo mag-usap sa mga technicalities. Di ko kaya. Yun lang. This has been Curse PH. That was the Cebu Pacific. Pa-sponsor naman. And you, Master, has been amazing. Hype ka, SB19, hype ka.